Have you ever heard about contract in your work life, and do you know what is earliest and the oldest contract in human history? It was in the 1259 before Christ that the oldest contract, Egyptian peace treaty, also known as the Eternal Treaty or the Self Treaty, was born. It is also the earliest known surviving peace treaty in the human history, and about 3,000 years after, our human beings still adopt this kind of contract text to manage our work and record our business. And because this kind of contract text is very important for the business and it's related to legal documents, so we need a reliable and powerful project management tool to manage our sales contract. And it's but in 2022, especially in this year, under the shocking of COVID-19 and the more severe epidemic, similar transformations are underway along sales contracting. And in my opinion, there's no more beautiful backwater places like Cesme, Peninsula, or Aegean coast edge for enterprises manager making your sales contract with your clients face to face, and you only can finish all of these deals online on your computer. Even sometimes you cannot come to another city or another country to make your deal and make this kind of very important contract face to face. So it's very urgent to find your own template and your own project management tool to manage your sales contract. And after I have introduced this powerful CRM template, sales contract management template, I will post a blog under our video, and you can read all of this. You can read all of this description, the places you will mainly use this template, and some points, very important tips when you use this template, and all of this in our blog and also in our template description, how to use sales contract management project template tasks, and you can read. And I will also give you some custom field and some examples in this template. And in our next blog, I will introduce the template default. In the end of our article, I will post some of the blogs under the CRM template. And if you want to read it, I think after you read it, it's worth it. Okay, see you guys in our next video. And in our next video, I will introduce you this template in details. And hope see you guys next time. Bye.